Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is Monday, June 10th, 2019. We got another random act of kindness. Now last week I released the part 1 of the Nomad video and I promised to finish that. Unfortunately I haven't had a chance to do so. Last week, Wednesday, was moving day for my daughter, my grandchildren, so we did that for 2 days and I've spent Friday, Saturday, Sunday, today cleaning, painting, cleaning the carpets, everything, and I've got probably 2 more weeks of this to go because we are painting the entire house. We're just kind of revamping everything, making it nice, new, and fresh once again. But hopefully I'll be able to squeeze some videos here and there, and hopefully I'll have the Nomad finished this week. But please stay tuned. I will get it finished and we'll get back on track, hopefully by the end of the month, trying to release a video once a week. I just picked this up about a week ago, but I believe this was sent like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So let's go ahead and crack it open. And this is another box from Scott, as you can tell by the artwork. It's got a cool old movie here, Disney's The Black Hole. Released in 1979 and still available on DVD. Love these boxes. I've been keeping all of them. So let's see what we have. This is actually dated May 14th, so I am obviously way behind. Once again, a very nice letter here. This explains some of the cars. Oh, very cool. We've got one of the Volkswagen T2 pickups. It's called a chicken wagon, and actually his uncle had one in the mid-70s. We've got a Tootsie car here. This is called the Can-Am Racer. Pretty neat. We've got another bread bag. Inside of some other bags. Some more bags. And another bag. Now this particular one is from Scott's childhood. It's almost 50 years old. It's a Corgi. This is going to be the grandson project. Scott would like me to fix it up specifically for him, so we're going to have to do that. I'm going to have to figure out how to get some tires. Maybe I can print them on the 3D printer. We'll figure something out. I do have a 3D printer, I just haven't used it for Hot Wheels. I've used it for other things, so I need to get on that. And of course, the van. T2 pickup. Another look at the Can-Am Racer. I guess these used to come in packs of half a dozen or so. I imagine back in the day you could probably get a half a dozen of these for 50 cents maybe. Very cool little casting. I would like to share this portion of the letter. Farbs, cartoon car people that fit Hot Wheels tracks. Also small shots. Cartoonish looking figurines with red roller skates that also fit Hot Wheels tracks. Cool stuff from the 70s. And as always, thanks again, Scott. I really appreciate it. My grandson really appreciates it. He loves these cars. I'll have to fix this one up. Since he doesn't live here anymore, I'm going to fix it up. He won't know anything about it, and then I'll take it over to his mom's house. The good thing is, they only live 15 minutes away. I'd also like to take this time to thank my top patrons, which are Matchbox Garage and Mark Kidd. Not only do I like the cars, the box art is awesome. I've actually kept all the boxes. I think we're up to 3 or 4 now. I have them stacked over in a corner, and I'll keep those for many years to come. I think that's going to do it for this one. I need to hit the hay. It's about 11:15 p.m. on Monday, so got to get up early. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post those below. And as always, thanks for watching.